Hi everyone, welcome back to Jack Reddington's channel. Jack's still away for now, so you've got me here making sure the trading tips keep coming your way. If you enjoy learning practical ways to sharpen your edge, give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Today, we're talking about something that sounds simple but can completely change your results. Scheduled trading windows. If you've ever felt burned out staring at charts all day, or frustrated that you keep missing the best moves, this is going to be a game changer. Quick reminder before we get started. This video is purely for information and entertainment. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak with a financial professional before making trading decisions. If you're part of the Signal CLI community, you already know that every day at midnight UTC, we publish the full schedule for the next 24 hours, showing exactly when the market is in the green zone, the yellow zone, and the red zone. That schedule is your trading roadmap. It tells you when the odds are stacked in your favor, when they're just okay, and when it's best to stay out entirely. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to watch the market every minute of the day, you focus your energy where it matters most. The green zone is your prime time, the period when market conditions are statistically optimal for short-term trading. This is when volatility, liquidity, and price action all align to give your signals the highest probability of success. The yellow zone is more of a maybe window. You can still trade it if your setup is strong and everything lines up, but the probabilities aren't quite as high as in the green zone. And the red zone? That's your no-go area. Low-quality setups, messy conditions, and a higher chance of giving back your profits if you force trades there. By planning your day around the schedule, you avoid one of the biggest traps in trading: decision fatigue. Most traders waste energy staring at charts, chasing mediocre setups, and burning out before the real opportunities even arrive. With scheduled windows, you know exactly when to be at your screen and when you can step away. That means less time staring at noise and more time focused on high-probability trades. Let's take a practical example. Say you check the schedule at midnight UTC and see that your first green zone of the day is from 8:30 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. You can plan your morning around that. You're fresh, focused, and ready when the market is most likely to move cleanly. Then maybe there's another green zone in the afternoon. Between those times, you don't need to be glued to your charts. You can review trades, work on your strategy, or just live your life without worrying you're missing the good stuff. It's also worth noting that your position sizing and expectations can change based on the zone. In the green zone, you might trade your full planned size. In the yellow zone, maybe you size down or take quicker profits. And in the red zone, you save your capital entirely for when the odds improve. This isn't just about maximizing profits. It's about protecting your mindset. Nothing kills confidence faster than making a series of bad trades simply because you were bored or felt like you had to be in the market. Scheduled trading windows take that pressure away. You're not trading just because the market is open. You're trading because the conditions are right. So if you're serious about trading smarter, start building your day around the schedule. Check it when it's published, note your green zones, and commit to focusing only on those high probability periods. You'll trade less, stress less, and over time, you'll see your results improve. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and tell me in the comments how you plan your trading day. I'd love to hear it. Jack, I'm keeping your channel in great shape while you're away. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I'll see everyone again very soon.